If you overlooked these 4 affordable pickup trucks thinking they weren't worth your attention, you missed out on some of the most durable vehicles ever made. You're not alone. While people are spending $80,000 on new trucks that start breaking down before 50,000 miles, savvy buyers are snapping up these dependable workhorses for under $15,000. Mechanics often call this the best-kept secret in the used truck market. The reason? Most people get distracted by flashy marketing and forget that reliability doesn't need a six-figure price tag. We're talking about trucks that can easily reach 300,000 miles, often for less than a down payment on today's overpriced models. If you're tired of truck payments that exceed your rent, pay attention. Here are 4 inexpensive trucks that can outlast anything on dealer lots today. And before we dive in, think about which one you'd chase first. Number 1. First-generation Toyota Tundra with the 4.7-liter V8. The first-gen Toyota Tundra is arguably the most over-engineered half-ton ever made. It looks simple, but under the hood it's a marvel of durability. Toyota built this truck to compete with American manufacturers, while proving that Japanese engineering could outlast anything Detroit produced. It features the legendary 4.7-liter V8, also found in the indestructible Land Cruiser. Unlike modern trucks with complex timing chains, it uses a timing belt that, when replaced every 90,000 miles, ensures the engine lasts far longer than newer competitors. While today's trucks can cost $70,000 or more, they rarely match the longevity of these Tundras, which were built during Toyota's golden era. The main concern is frame rust in areas with road salt, but Toyota issued a recall, Campaign 110, that actually increases the value of treated trucks. Some of these engines have gone 500,000 to over 1 million miles with proper care, making the Tundra one of the best bargains in the used truck market. Number 2. 2011 to 2019 Nissan Frontier, the D40 generation. The D40 Nissan Frontier offers almost the same reliability as a Toyota Tacoma, but at a fraction of the cost. Nissan addressed earlier issues, like the strawberry milkshake of death radiator problem, in the 2011 redesign. These trucks are mechanically solid and offer excellent value because the market undervalues them. The VQ40DE V6 engine is virtually bulletproof when maintained properly. You can find a 2012 Frontier with 100,000 miles for under $10,000 compared to $18,000 or more for a comparable Tacoma. Many reach 250,000 miles on their original drivetrains with affordable and widely available parts. For buyers looking for a dependable mid-size truck on a budget, the Frontier is a standout choice. Number 3. The 1999 to 2006 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, also known as the GMT 800. This generation of GM trucks really represents their engineering peak before cost-cutting measures came in after 2008. They featured the robust 5.3-liter Vortec V8, and that was before GM introduced active fuel management, which, honestly, has caused a lot of reliability issues in later models. These trucks were built as true workhorses, combining strength, simplicity, and reliability. The best part is, they can be serviced by any competent mechanic with just standard tools, unlike modern GM trucks, which, let's face it, usually require expensive diagnostic equipment. Many of these trucks reach well over 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance, and parts are still cheap and easy to find. Now, minor quirks, like piston slap noises when cold, can scare off uninformed buyers, but that just creates deals for those of us who know what we're looking at. Number 4. The 1992 to 1996 Ford F-150 with the 4.9-liter inline-six. This F-150 is a favorite among mechanics because of its legendary reliability. The 4.9-liter inline-six engine is simple, durable, and easy to maintain. It helped countless families through years of work without major repairs, making it, honestly, one of the most dependable trucks